श्री राग महला पहला। मरने की चिंता नहीं, जीवन की नहीं आस। तू सर्ब जियां प्रतिपाल ही, लेखे सास गिरास। अंतर गुरमुख तू वसै, ज्यों पावै त्यों निर्जास। The Guru minded people are neither worried about the loss of their life, nor are they too anxious to live a long life in this world. O Vaheguru, you are looking after everyone's nourishment, and you're looking after their existence. You keep account of all their activities, including breathing, eating, or enjoying other pleasures, and how everything shapes is decided by you as it pleases you. जीरे राम जपत मनु मान, अंतर लागी जल बुझी, पाया गुरमुख ज्ञान रहाओ. O my soul, meditate on the name of Vaheguru, which would give you satisfaction of the mind and soul. When you acquire the true knowledge of Vaheguru through the Guru's guidance, your thirst for worldly desires is quenched by self-realization, leading to the tranquility of mind and attainment of spiritual wisdom. Pause. अंतर की गत जानिए, गुर मिलिए संक उतार. मुया जित कर जाइए, तित जीव दिया मर मार. अनहद शब्द सुहावने, पाइए गुर विचार. By meeting with the Guru, one is rid of all the doubts, and perfect realization of inner self is attained. One can conquer death while still alive. The state of mind achieved after death could be realized during your lifetime. It is only through the concentration on Guru's word and its true understanding that you can hear the song of celestial music within yourself. अनहद बाणी पाइए, तहो में हुए विनाश. सतगुर सेवे आपना, हाँ सदगुर बाणे तास. खड़ दर गए पैनाइए, मुख हर नाम निवास. When the unstruck melody of Gurbani, the celestial music, is obtained within, the egoism is eliminated. I am forever sacrificed to those who serve their true Guru. They are dressed in robes of honor in the court of Vaheguru. The name of Vaheguru is always on their lips. जही देखा तह रव रहे, शिव शक्ति का मेल. त्रय गुण बंधी देहरी, जो आया जग सो खेल. विजोगी दुख विछड़े, मन मुख लहे ना मेल. Wherever I look, I see Vaheguru pervading there. There seems to be perfect union and cohesion between the nature and the creator, and there seems perfect combine of spirit and energy with human beings at play all over. The body is controlled by the three-pronged worldly activities of Rajo, Tamo, Sato, and is being directed by some force in in a set sequence. Those who separate themselves from Vaheguru wander lost in misery. The self-will Manmukhs do not attain union with Vaheguru. Man bairagi karvasai sach pairata hoy, Gyan maharas pogvai bahud pukh na hoy. Nanak ehu man mar mil bhi fir dukh na hoy. When the mind becomes balanced in equipoise and comes to dwell in its own true home, it is imbued with the fear of God. Then it enjoys the ecstasy, the essence of supreme spiritual wisdom, and it never feels the hunger of the worldly desires again. O Nanak, conquer and subdue this mind. Meet with Vaheguru. You shall never suffer in pain and sorrow again.